Ever notice how crumbs, dust, pet hair, and tiny debris seem to collect in every corner of your car no matter how often you clean it? And once dirt gets into tight spaces like seat rails, air vents, or between the console, it becomes almost impossible to remove with a regular vacuum. Over time, that mess can make your car feel less comfortable every time you drive. That's where the SZUK new mini car vacuum cleaner comes in. With an impressive 165,000 Pascal suction power and an upgraded 21,500 revolutions per minute motor, it's designed to pick up dust, dirt, and small particles from hard-to-reach places without the hassle of cords. The cordless wireless design gives you the freedom to clean anywhere, whether you're inside your car, on the sofa, or even around your keyboard. It's more than just a vacuum. It also supports dust blowing, balloon inflation, and both wet and dry cleaning, making it useful for a variety of everyday tasks. The included HEPA filter helps capture fine particles, while the multifunction brush and more than 6 nozzles let you switch between different cleaning jobs with ease. Powered by dual 2000 mAh lithium batteries and convenient Type-C charging, it's lightweight at just 560 grams, operates at a low noise level of 52 dB or less, and is easy to carry wherever you need it. Whether you're cleaning up after a road trip, removing snack crumbs from the back seat, or freshening up small spaces around your home, this compact handheld cleaner is built for convenience and versatility. If you want to take a closer look, check the product link in the description before it's gone or the current offer changes.